is Mina. The title is The Chick and the Duckling. A duckling came out of the shell. I am out, he said. Me too, said the chick. I am taking a walk, said the duckling. Me too, said the chick. I am digging a hole, said the duckling. Me too, said the chick. I found a worm, said the duckling. Me too, said the chick. I caught a butterfly, said the duckling. Me too, said the chick. I'm going for a swim, said the duckling. Me too, said the chick. I am swimming, said the duckling. Me too, cried the chick. The duckling pushed the chick out. I am going for another swim, said the duckling. Not me, said the chick. Thank you for listening. I love you.